I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Ginseng Misogi type beat. First, let's set the foundation. Begin by choosing a slow tempo, usually between 60 and 80 beats per minute, to establish that signature relaxed vibe. Then, select a minor key like a minor or C minor to give your track a melancholic and introspective feel. Finally, pick a clean, resonant 88-key piano sound for your main melody, as this will be the core of your beat. Next, we'll craft the melody. Focus on a simple, repetitive piano melody, often using sustained chords and gentle arpeggios to create a flowing sound. Introduce subtle, ethereal pads in the background to add a layer of depth and atmosphere, making the beat feel more expansive. The goal is a dreamy, almost hypnotic quality that draws the listener in, typically using 4 to 8 bar loops. Now let's move on to the drum programming. You'll want a sparse, laid-back drum pattern. Start with a soft, understated kick drum and a crisp, but not overpowering, snare. Use open and closed hi-hats sparingly to maintain that relaxed, almost understated groove. Finally, add a deep, resonant 808 bass line that perfectly complements your piano melody, providing a solid, low-end foundation. Finally, we'll focus on mixing and effects to polish your beat. Apply generous amounts of reverb and delay to your piano and pads to create an expansive, ambient soundscape. Gently compress your drums and bass to ensure they sit perfectly within the mix, providing clarity and punch without being overwhelming. Master the track with a subtle limiter to achieve a polished, professional sound, ready for listeners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.